This Tastebuds barbecue pasta recipe is the perfect weeknight meal. Start by cutting up and cooking 6 slices of bacon in a large skillet over medium heat. And then chop up a small onion and measure out 8 ounces of rotini pasta. I think penne pasta would work well too. After the bacon's cooked, leave about a tablespoon of the bacon fat and brown your onion. Then add a can of petite diced tomatoes and your pasta along with some chicken broth and the smoky applewood rub. This rub is what makes the recipe. Stir in about 4 ounces of cream cheese and about 4 ounces of baby spinach until the spinach wilts. Shred 4 ounces of Monterey Jack cheese, add it to the dish, and stir it in until everything is creamy and melty and just yum, yum, yum. Once you've got it all incorporated, you'll want to sprinkle on your cooked bacon and serve it up. You can garnish it with some sliced green onions, with some Parmesan cheese. You could add cooked chicken to this if you like, or you could even use vegetable broth and skip the bacon if you want to make it a veggie meal. This recipe was so delicious. Enjoy!